Grace.
And I'm McGuire.
Most people call her Maggie.
And we're from Gateway Science Academy.
Most people call it GSA. And St. Louis, Missouri.
Nation. Yeah. And we're gonna, well, before we start our experiment, we need our glasses. Okay, so we're done with experiment using
the best breakfast food in the world. It's ovular. It's small. It's an egg.
Well, actually, bacon's the best breakfast food ever, but bacon with little eggs, muy bueno.
Okay, so we want to try and get our egg in this tube.
But the only way to do it from this standpoint is smushing it, and that's not what we want to do. So what we're going to do is, there's a little canola oil in here.
And you can use butter or olive oil or whatever you've got that's slippery.
Anything to try to get your finger out of the bottle. Okay, so we're going to lubricate it a little bit, and we're going to try to put it on here. And it still won't go in even with the oil. So what we're going to do is, we're going to take a piece of paper and cut it down. Make sure it's a little smaller than the bottle.
Yes, so cut it down about, that's good.
And light it on fire.
And we will, yes, use the fire.
Put it in quickly, put the egg on top, watch it flutter a little bit, and pop.
And it goes.
So, now with the egg still inside, sometimes, it depends, like when we use our bigger bottle, it will break probably at the bottom because it's a longer drop. This one, since it was a smaller drop, it didn't crack. Our egg's still pretty intact. So we're going to set this to the side, and we're going to use our little egg child here.
His name is Egg Wardo.
And we're going to kill him. So we can
crack him.
We're going to crack him so he can be used in the science project. But before we peel him, we're going to have a little moment of silence for him. Why, Grace? Why do you have to go like this? Okay, back to the video.
Yes, we're going to try and peel all of these little eggshells off.
Okay, we're going to set our bigger bottle here. And it's kind of hard to find the right type of bottles that have the right kind of opening. You may need to go to like an antique shop or something.
We got this found this at Schnucks. It's just a milk jug.
This one is a beaker, so beakers work too.
Flask.
Or flask. Don't know the difference, but you know.
So as I'm peeling this off,
it may take a while. I mean, you definitely want to peel the hard-boiled. It has to be hard-boiled, and you have to peel the shell off of it. Because if it's not hard-boiled, it's not going to go in. If you don't peel the shell off of it, it's not going to go in. So you kind of have to make it slippery. So
a little bit about this. For the egg to go in, we're going to be using air pressure.
And the way it goes in is when you light the piece of paper on fire, it makes the air in the bottle warmer. So when you put the egg on top, it flutters because the air is trying to escape. So when the fire goes out, all the air in the world will press the egg down and makes it plop at the bottom of the bottle.
So now that we've got all of Eduardo's skin, let's put a little bit of olive oil because it's already pretty slippery.
Or canola oil. It's so easy.
Yeah.
And we roll them around in the low of the oil. And we don't want too much oil, but enough oil to make it work.
So now we're going to set it on fire. You gotta be really quick, and you're going to need adult supervision because gotta be safe, guys. Look. And then we stick it on, and this one may take a little longer because it's a larger bottle. Ooh, it's a large. Yeah, the other way. It's a larger bottle, and see how it's kind of fluttering. Don't fly off. So once this fire goes out, you have to wait for the fire to go out for the air pressure to push. Woo! And our egg was a little fat.
But it's just a little fat. But see, it sucked all the innards out. And it broke at the bottom. But now we got a good little snack.
It is it's a little bit smaller than our flask.
It's like a vacuum. It's like a vacuum. It sucks the egg right in. And now that we have, this has never happened to us before, but it could happen to you.
So, thank you for watching our video.
And taking the time out of your day. But we can't say no A's for harm in making this video, because they were, but yeah. Science, but they were killed in the name of science.
So, bye. Bye.
We love science. It's so fun. It's so weird. It's so cool. Stay cool.
fabulous.
Fabulous.